Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to send newsletters to subscribers whenever a new post is created. We'll use Laravel queues to handle sending emails to multiple subscribers efficiently. We'll also add an extra column to the posts table to track the notification status of each post, is_notified. First, create a migration file to add this new column to the existing posts table. Don't forget to update the post model by including the new column in the fiable array. Afterward, run the PHP artisan migrate command. As you can see, the is_notified column has been successfully added to the posts table. Next, create a new job to handle sending newsletters. The Send Newsletter job class has now been created. Now it's time to update the PostController class. Be sure to import the newsletter subscriber model and the Send Newsletter job class into this controller. Let's update the create post method. Once the post is successfully saved to the database, we'll send an email notification to our subscribers with the post details. This line retrieves the most recently created post. Here, we check if there's at least one registered subscriber email. If there are subscribers, we dispatch the job, passing the list of subscriber emails and the post details as arguments. After that, update the post by setting its is_notified status to true. That's it for the create post method. Let's also apply the same logic to the update post method. Before updating a selected post, we'll add this variable to decide whether to send a newsletter email. If the post is successfully updated and was not previously notified, we'll send an email notification to the subscribers with the post details. That's it for the update post method. Next, we need to edit the Send Newsletter job class. Be sure to import the necessary classes here. Inside the handle method, we'll implement the functionality to send email notifications containing the latest published post details to the newsletter subscribers. Now, let's create and set up the newsletter email template view. To save time, as we did in previous videos, we'll use ChatGPT to generate an HTML email template. Open ChatGPT and enter the following prompt in the input box. Once the code is generated, copy it and paste it into newsletterPostTemplate.blade.php. Update the code to include the post details passed to it, and don't forget to save the file. Make sure the q_connection value in the .env file is set to database. I already have these 3 tables because I've run the necessary commands. If you haven't, run them before continuing. Finally, run the PHP artisan optimize command. Initially, we don't have any records inside jobs table. As you can see, my inbox is currently empty. Let's create a new blog post. This time, let's make the post public after it's created. As you can see, a success message is displayed. By looking at the jobs table, we see 2 new records inserted. This is because we have 2 registered newsletter subscriber emails. Now, how do we process queued jobs locally to send the newsletter emails and clear the jobs table once all jobs are processed? To do this, open another terminal and run the PHP artisan queue work command. As you can see, it's running. The first queue job is now complete. By checking our email testing platform, we see new emails received. Each subscriber has received an email containing the blog post's featured image, title, short summary, and a clickable button to read the full post details. After processing, all records in the jobs table are deleted. We created a post and set its visibility to public. It has already been successfully notified. Let's create another post, but this time, set it as private. The post is successfully created. And its is_notified status is 0. Since the post is private, there are no new records in the jobs table. Now, let's update the private post to make it public. A success message is displayed. Looking at the jobs table again, we see 2 new records inserted. Since our queue worker is still running, the emails are sent, and all records in the jobs table are cleared after processing. Friends, I hope you've learned how to send newsletters easily and quickly to subscribers of your Laravel blog project. See you in next video.